Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make simple clock program for Windows in Python. So please excuse my little sister, she is very ill these days. Anyway, so the program is very easy to create and the code for it will be available in the video description, more on that later. So the first thing you need to do is open idle 64-bit. Let me just find it. And then you need to start with the import statement in order to import your libraries, so type in import. Then you will specify the libraries which you will need. For this we will start with tk inter, and we need to import it as tk. This is what we will be calling it later in the code, like a nickname. Type import tk inter as tk. So to save time, now I will copy the rest of the import statements. We will discuss this later in the video. Now we will create a class to organize our code better. And now I will paste the code into our project. So this code sort of tells the computer how to run the application. Of course, I won't be stopping for too long to discuss it. And once you've copied the code, something which is very important, to start the app main loop. This is critical step of the way, as your app won't run without this line at the end of the project, so be sure to include it. Later I will discuss why it is app.main loop. For now, let's save the project to our desktop and run it. And just like that, you created a very nice clock application. Okay everyone, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again.